Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make account on Kucoin. So here I'm going to teach you how to make an account on Kucoin. So first thing we need to do is open up a Kucoin. As you can see right now, this will pop up right here. And then click on sign up now. Let's say sorry guys. There you go, sign up now. After pressing on sign up now, we can choose between I am a new crypto or have a crypto experience. So right now we're going to choose new crypto. So you guys can see. Let's see. Sorry guys. There you go. Don't allow. Then there you go guys. Now we are here. Now you can choose to sign in with your email. Sign up. So we're gonna put in our email right here. So I'll see you guys later. As you can see right now, we just done with our email. Now it's letting us set as a password. So what I did with email right there is what I just entered my email, and then after entering my email, they gave me a code. After I got the code, just enter the code. Now we're gonna put in our password. So we must file this must contain 10 to 32 characters and at least one upper and lower case and number, and does not contain any spaces. So I'll see you guys after I've done this. There you go guys, as you can see right now, sign up complete. You've received 20 USDT sign up bonus, complete verification to unlock more benefits. Now we must click on verify now. Now we're just gonna verify it. Unlock access and earn up to 20 USDT reward. It only takes 3 to 5 minutes right there. We're just gonna do photo ID and facial recognition. So I'll see you guys after I've done this. So wait, there you go. So I'll see you guys when I've that is. So I'm going to choose the driver's license right here. So I'll see you guys later. Now as you can see right now, data encrypting and checking image quality. So this usually takes 1 minute. So I'll see you guys after this is done. So yeah, so as you can see right now, it's done. So as you can see, we have our name, last name, and ID right here. So we just need to confirm it. There you go. So hang tight, your review will be completed within the next 24 hours. Why wait here? Head to the rewards hub and start exploring new earning opportunities. You'll be notified once it's done. Click to claim your exclusive rewards here in Club Hub. So there you go guys, that's how you set it up. Have to wait just 48 hours to be verified. So there, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, type it in the comment below guys. Have it answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.